Flax seeds are a nutrient-dense food source with multiple health benefits. They are particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, an essential type of fat. Flax seeds also contain lignans, which are plant compounds with antioxidant properties. The high fiber content of flax seeds supports digestive health and regularity. Each of these components contributes uniquely to overall well-being. Incorporating flax seeds into the diet can be a simple way to enhance nutritional intake. Flax seeds are a plant-based source of essential nutrients. They are rich in ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, and omega-3 fatty acid. ALA is classified as an essential fatty acid. The body converts ALA into EPA and DHA. EPA and DHA are vital for brain health. EPA and DHA are also crucial for maintaining heart health. Flax seeds are a source of lignans, which are beneficial compounds. Lignans have antioxidant properties that fight cell damage. Lignans also exhibit estrogen-like properties, influencing hormonal activity. These properties may contribute to protection against specific cancers. Lignans can help improve hormonal balance within the body. Flax seeds are a rich source of dietary fiber. They contain both soluble and insoluble fiber types. Soluble fiber in flax seeds aids in regulating blood sugar levels. Insoluble fiber promotes healthy digestion. The fiber content in flax seeds contributes to increased satiety, helping to manage appetite. Regular flax seed consumption is associated with improved cardiovascular health. Flax seeds contribute to lowering blood pressure levels. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds play a crucial role in reducing heart disease risk. The fiber content of flax seeds also supports heart health by helping to regulate cholesterol. Flax seeds contain soluble fiber that aids in cholesterol reduction. Soluble fiber binds with cholesterol in the digestive system. This binding action prevents the absorption of cholesterol into the bloodstream. Reduced cholesterol absorption helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Incorporating flax seeds into the diet can contribute to improved cardiovascular health. Flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, known for their health benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids possess anti-inflammatory properties. These fatty acids help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Reducing inflammation can alleviate symptoms of chronic inflammatory conditions. Regular consumption of flax seeds may contribute to managing such conditions. Flax seeds can be a dietary component for individuals seeking to mitigate inflammation. Flax seeds are beneficial for digestive health due to their high fiber content. Fiber in flax seeds promotes regular bowel movements. Regular bowel movements are essential for a healthy digestive system. Flax seeds help prevent constipation. Preventing constipation supports overall digestive well-being. Incorporating flax seeds into the diet can aid in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Flax seeds have properties that can improve the body's insulin sensitivity. Improved insulin sensitivity allows cells to respond more effectively to insulin. This enhanced response aids in the uptake of glucose from the bloodstream. Flax seeds contribute to the stabilization of blood sugar levels. The blood sugar stabilizing effect is beneficial for individuals with diabetes. It is also helpful for those with insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Lignans, found in flax seeds, may play a role in cancer prevention. These compounds have been observed to potentially inhibit the growth of cancer cells. This inhibitory effect is particularly relevant in hormone-sensitive cancers. Examples of such cancers include breast and prostate cancer. Flax seeds contain antioxidants, which are beneficial compounds. Antioxidants function by protecting cells from damage. This damage is often caused by free radicals, unstable molecules in the body. Free radicals can contribute to the development of chronic diseases. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants in flax seeds help reduce the risk of these diseases. Therefore, incorporating flax seeds into the diet can support cellular health. Flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for skin health. These fatty acids contribute to improved skin hydration. Omega-3 seconds also enhance skin elasticity. Increased elasticity reduces skin dryness. The combined effects of hydration and elasticity promote a healthier complexion. Consuming flax seeds can be a natural way to support overall skin health. Flax seeds contain nutrients beneficial for hair health. These nutrients include omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. Omega-3 seconds nourish hair follicles, promoting stronger hair growth. Vitamin E further contributes to hair health by acting as an antioxidant. Flax seeds are beneficial for weight management due to their high fiber content. Fiber promotes a feeling of fullness, which helps to reduce overall calorie consumption. This satiety effect can aid in controlling appetite and preventing overeating. Reduced calorie intake, facilitated by flaxseed consumption, supports weight loss efforts. Incorporating flax seeds into a balanced diet can contribute to effective weight management. Flax seeds provide a natural way to enhance satiety and manage caloric intake. Flax seeds may contribute to improved bone density. This potential benefit is linked to their omega-3 fatty acid content. Flax seeds are also a source of lignans, a type of phytoestrogen. Lignans may play a role in reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a condition characterized by decreased bone mass and increased fracture risk. Further research is needed to fully establish the effects of flax seeds on bone health. Flax seeds contain lignans, which are beneficial for hormonal regulation. Lignans can influence the body's hormone levels. This regulation can alleviate symptoms associated with menopause. Lignans also help in reducing the effects of premenstrual syndrome, PMS. Therefore, flax seeds can be a natural aid for hormonal balance. Flax seeds have a positive impact on digestive health. Improved digestive health can enhance nutrient absorption. Flax seeds may improve the absorption of other nutrients from food. This enhancement is a result of the seed's beneficial effects on the digestive system. Therefore, incorporating flax seeds into the diet could optimize nutrient uptake. Flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, which offer several health benefits. One key benefit is the potential reduction in the risk of stroke. Omega-3 fatty acids contribute to improved blood vessel function. Improved blood vessel function ensures efficient blood flow and reduces arterial stiffness. These fatty acids also play a role in reducing blood clot formation. By improving vessel function and reducing clots, flax seeds can lower stroke risk. Flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for maintaining optimal brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to support and enhance cognitive functions. Regular consumption of flax seeds may lead to improved memory retention. Incorporating flax seeds into the diet can contribute to overall brain function and cognitive performance. Flax seeds may offer protective benefits against kidney damage. Consuming flax seeds could contribute to improved kidney function. These benefits are particularly relevant for individuals with diabetes. Flax seeds can be a dietary addition to support kidney health in diabetic patients. Flax seeds possess anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help alleviate joint pain. Flax seeds may also reduce stiffness associated with arthritis. Regular consumption of flax seeds could contribute to improved joint health. The anti-inflammatory action targets the source of joint discomfort. Flax seeds support a healthy gut microbiome. They achieve this by providing fiber. Fiber acts as nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. This nourishment promotes the growth and activity of these bacteria. A thriving gut microbiome is essential for overall health. Flax seeds can be easily integrated into various meals. One simple method is adding flax seeds to smoothies. They can also be mixed into yogurt for added nutrition. Sprinkling flax seeds on oatmeal is another convenient option. Flax seeds can be incorporated into baked goods. These additions enhance the nutritional profile of meals. Flax seeds are versatile and can be consumed in various forms. These forms include whole seeds, ground seeds, and flaxseed oil. Each form offers distinct benefits and varying degrees of ease of use. Whole flax seeds provide fiber and nutrients in their natural state. Ground flax seeds offer enhanced absorption of nutrients due to increased surface area. Flaxseed oil is a concentrated source of omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds are generally considered safe for consumption. It's important to consume flax seeds in moderation. Drink plenty of water when consuming flax seeds. Adequate hydration helps to avoid digestive issues. Individuals with certain medical conditions should exercise caution. Consult a healthcare provider before adding flax seeds to your diet if you have underlying health concerns.